My name is Ofrit Barbachar, and thank you very much for joining us on this new how-to video on how to flash firmware. Why do we have to flash firmware? Well, firmware is the software within the device. So whenever you are upgrading your software in your computer, you have to match it in the device as well. So that's why we are flashing firmware whenever we have upgraded our software, whenever it's necessary. To flash firmware sounds a little bit complicated, maybe a little bit technical to some of you, and this video is to show you how easy and simple it is. Even I can do it. So let's turn the device on. The device has to be on when we do it. I'm showing it today on the TSA2 Air, but it's the exact same process on the TSA2. So let's go through the motions and you'll see what you have to do with the TSA2 as well. Let's go to the software. We stop here. We don't go into the software anymore. We go to Options and we go to Firmware Update. Now we have to press these three dots and it will take us automatically to the correct folder. If it's not taking you to the correct folder, you have to make sure that you're in the right software version. You have to go into the hex file and then you have to choose the correct device. In this case, it's the TSA2 Air. If you have several devices, for instance, several TSA2 Airs, you'll have to do it for each device. If you have another, maybe a TSA2 as well, you have to do it for the TSA2 as well. So now this is the TSA2 Air. We click on Open and we click on Start. And we start the process. It will be detecting the target device and then it will start flashing. And it's giving us update on what the status is, and we'll see the progress bar fill up. And it will take a few minutes. So keep close. As soon as the process is done, the device will start beeping and it will not stop beeping until we turn it off, and we'll just follow the instructions as they are put in front of us on the screen. So we're almost done. As you can see, it takes just a few minutes. Let's wait for it to finish. Can you hear the device beeping? This means that we were successful. We have to close the software and turn off the device. Then we'll wait for 2 minutes and then we'll turn the device back on and open the software. So let's close the software. I'm turning off the device. And now let's wait for 2 minutes. Let's turn the device back on. And now the software. We'll go to TSA2 Air. And press OK. And let's pass self-test, and we see everything is okay. As soon as the self-test is done, then we're ready to go. And the green light has turned on. Okay, thank you for joining us, and see us in our other videos and on our website. If you have any questions or further suggestions, please don't hesitate to write us at info@medoc-web.com, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions or be in touch. Thank you very much for joining us again.